Hi, welcome to the Java Core Learning course by Java, and my name is Chien. Today is the day 14. I'm going to talk about how to read the data from a text file in Java using a buffer reader. Okay, so now let's get started. I will minify this one, and okay, I have a text file here. In the D drive, I have a test.tat file, and inside this file, I have three paragraphs which display in the message here. Okay, here. So here, after that, I will using the buffer reader to read the content inside this file and display it in the console window here. Okay, so now here we have a main package, and I will go ahead to create a new class inside this package, and I will name it read data text file using a buffer reader. Okay, and I will copy this text, name it. Okay, so I have to create a static main method for this class. Okay, here after that the file is generated. We have a package in main package and a public class in read text data text file using buffer reader with the modifier asset modifier we publish. Okay, we have a static method generated here. Cool. So here for this one I will throw exception here. Throw exception. So because when you are reading the the the, the file in the window, so sometimes you cannot find the sometimes the file is not found, so it will display the error message. That means we have to catch the issue and display the by using the exception through here to display the message. Okay, I will have for this one I will import a library. Import java.io library, and I will I have to provide the path of the tt file, the that.txt. Okay, warning message. Okay, and after that I will using a buffer reader BR equal new buffer reader new file reader. Okay, and here I will create a string string equal empty null, and I will use a loop while looping. I have a string equal br dot next a read line. If this one is not known, we will print out the message. It's string. Okay, here you see here we have a warning message, click this one and convert it to local variable. Okay, cool. Cool. So here, run the application. Hello world. Oh, it is infinity looping. Okay, stop this one first, and I will run back the code. Okay, here is not known. Via read line is not known. Buffered reader, new file reader file. Okay, run this. Here. So here you can see for now after I run the application, so it will display all of the text message inside the text file into the console window. Okay. Okay, so here I hope this video will helpful for you, and do let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later.